Today we are tasting some Simply Spiked lemonades.
We all know Simply Lemonade. They are simply delicious. And today we are trying their spiked version. We're gonna find out if it's thirsty approved
Or not. What flavors do we have here? We've got blueberry lemonade, strawberry lemonade, a regular lemonade, and watermelon lemonade. So if you wanna try these at home, check out bottlerubber.com and get these delivered to your door. We're gonna start off with the blueberry lemonade. So these are 5% alcohol, which is the same as White Claw, Truly. Those are 5%.
It says real fruit juice, squeezed, then concentrated, and contains alcohol, it says.
Yes, as it should, considering it's spiked. They're 170 calories per can. That's a little bit more indulgent than a seltzer, but this isn't really a seltzer. It's a juice, a spiked juice.
Right. It's like a cocktail, if you will.
Yes, let's open it up.
Okay.
Cheers.
Here we go.
Oh, it is bubbly. Okay.
I hear the bubbles.
I was not expecting this to be bubbly.
Cheers. Again.
Cheers again. Okay.
That's yummy.
That's good. It doesn't have much of a scent. I don't smell anything, but it tastes like blueberry, for sure. Blueberry-licious.
I really like this.
This is good.
What kind of alcohol is in this?
Just says alcohol.
It says does not contain distilled spirits.
So it's raw. It's real deal, holy
Oh
deal.
shit, like rubbing alcohol? Just some soda water, blueberries, a little bit of lemon, some sugar, and some rubbing alcohol. I'm comparing this to like a White Claw because now it's seltzer.
It has more flavor than a White Claw.
It's sweeter, it's delicious. I'm gonna go with an 8. I like it.
I'll give it a 7. Next up, the watermelon. This is the one that you're the most excited about.
Yeah.
Are all of these the same calories and stuff? I think yes, right?
Now we just have to say, do we like it? Do we not like it?
Right.
Okay, let's open it. Woo! It smells yummy.
This one smells better than the last one.
That's really yummy.
That's
sweet. That's why I like it. I love sweet stuff.
It's sweet, but then it's like a little sour too. You love a sweet and sour moment for sure.
It's so yummy. I like this a lot.
It tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. If you like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, this is for you. I don't think I can drink 2 of these. I'm not a big sweet person, so 1 would be like enough for me. But it tastes really good.
I like it.
It's good. On a scale of 1 to 10,
a 9. I don't know how the hangovers would be on these because they are kind of sweet, but we'll find out. We will find out. We'll get to the bottom of that today. All right, next, the signature lemonade, the one that she's excited about.
Woo! Simply Spiked Signature Lemonade. Oh, that smells really good.
It smells like lemonade. I love freshly squeezed lemonade, by the way, guys.
That smells amazing.
That tastes like spiked lemonade.
I think you can taste the alcohol more in this one than the other 2. After drinking the watermelon one, that one was so sweet, this one doesn't taste as sweet to me. Maybe we should have started with this one.
I like this one. It's sweet, it's simply spiked lemonade.
It's exactly what it is.
Literally. I like the watermelon one better.
I do like the watermelon one better too.
Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, compared to its brothers and sisters,
I'm gonna give it an 8.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
I think it's yummy, but not as yummy as the watermelon. I think it's like the blueberry, because the blueberry doesn't really jump at me. So it's kind of the same vibe.
Okay, strawberry time.
Strawberry time. Strawberry is a very hard flavor to conquer, I will say. Okay?
Yeah, pretty much any kind of berry, cherry, those are difficult.
They usually taste like medicine to me, so I'm always scared to try strawberry stuff.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh. Okay.
That one's really, really sweet.
But I think that they have conquered the strawberry flavor very well. Like it tastes like a strawberry mojito without the mint.
No, I disagree with that.
I love
it.
it.
It tastes like strawberry candy. Strawberry candy.
I really like this. Don't listen to her. She'll know what she's talking about.
You don't know shit. I'm making a mojito right now. You're gonna tell me this tastes like that. It don't taste like that. I think it tastes like strawberry sour candy, like blow pop, like the candy that you used to put on your finger, like a strawberry ring pop. That's what this is giving me.
Really, I feel like it tastes delicious. Because
It's delicious. It tastes like candy.
I feel like they conquered the strawberry taste though.
It tastes like strawberries, yes, but I still think it tastes a little bit artificial. It doesn't taste like medicine.
Right.
That is a good point.
Sorry, I'm trying to say that.
On a scale of 1 to 10, let's rate the strawberry.
10.
3. I was gonna do 6 to 1.
Okay.
9.
10.
Good job, Simply Spiked.
It's simply delicious.
Thirsty
Thirsty approved.